Who know this? Comment in the comment section. What you call this?
See us going on and off again. Baby, all I really wanted.
Alright, so check in again, people. Today we're gonna do some bush cooking. We're not gonna necessarily tell you what we plan to cook because we want you to stay tuned and watch out the entire video. Now guys, it's important that you like, comment, share and subscribe. It keeps us motivated, it keeps us going even when we feel discouraged. Alright, so we're gonna check in the kitchen. Alright,
Check in, people. Welcome back again to the Smith World TV. Alright, so here we have a chicken, whole of chicken, and a fish. I'm gonna fry the fish for Isabel. And this fish is straight from our backyard. So it's homegrown, guys. Alright, so we'll get the chicken clean up and everything with lime and vinegar. And here we have our season that we're going to use to season up our meat. And the ground season there. And over there now we have some fruits. So we have a pineapple there, 2 apple, and melon. Alright, and our ground season. So guys, just stick and stay with us and you're gonna see the meal that we're going to prepare. All right.
All right, good people. So we out here once more for another epic video. It's a beautiful day. Today is actually the 1st of August, right? We will celebrate this day as Emancipation Day, right? So today we're gonna cook up something nice. So we just want to know if you just watch out the thing and do the right thing. So all praises to our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Today's scripture is taken from Matthew 5 verse 6. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be filled. God alone can do that, people. Big up on yourself, one love. Alright? Bush style, real Jamaican bush style. So, me and Mommy Kim come up with this idea. Right? We're gonna cook some food here. You understand? Yeah, man. Tired of the kitchen now. So we bring the kitchen outside, people. You see me? Yeah, man. It's fun out here, guys. So check it out. Always up for something new. You understand? And for the people them, for the subscriber them where love to see me do the invention them. All you have to do the right thing. Like, share, comment. And just stick and stay. Subscribe to the channel, man. You see me? That's an original thing we have out here, you know. You understand? Real, authentic cooking. So just check it out, people. Yeah, man, we have to give thanks for life, you know. In spite of everything that is going on around us, distraction, all of that, we have to put God first. All who believe in the Most High God, enough love and respect. And even though all those who don't believe, just come and taste, man. Yeah, man, come do the thing, man. Do the right thing, man. You see me? Trust God. Put him first. Yeah, man. So, you know, so we always have good food over here, so. And new ideas. Interesting contents. Alright. Yeah, Gabby, catch that. We are going to do some Irish potato, mashed potato. So this will be our stove. Right? Check it out, people. Yeah, man, when you're in the bush, you know, you have to be innovative, creative. Alright?
Yeah.
Love when you know, guys. Big up Sister Jen and Brother Javan. Big up Brittany. Gabby. Big up Brittany, Gabby, Isabella, Bobby Kim. Come, Gabby, me tell them about this now. Alright, see it here, guys. Yeah, man, always up for invention. So this now we're going to put a pot pan. Normally, when you watch some video, some persons use stone, but always a create thing. So stay tuned for this. Yeah, man, we're going to light him up. And we are trying to get back raging bull up. Raging bull burn out, guys, because the metal doesn't melt up. So I'm going to get some stronger metal and set up back a new raging bull. You know you guys love him, you know, when he might burn and a cook. Alright, big up, big up.
Alright guys, so we're gonna season up the chicken. Chicken already washed and clean up. So we're gonna put on some seasoning. Take out everything out of it. Alright. And some paprika for color. You have smoked paprika and you just have paprika. Yeah. So, here's my fork or my spoon. So I get this well seasoned up. Color pretty. What I love to do too, you know guys, I love to sprinkle cooking oil on my meat when I season it up. And this helps the season to stick on the chicken or the meat, whatever meat you're using. Color pretty, guys. And Janelle, Sister Janelle, we're not using whole heap of season, okay? Yes, when you come at campsite with sister, I'm not use whole heap of season. You're going to look a lot on camera. Yes, so big up on yourself. Big up Sister Janelle and her husband.
Brother Javon.
Yeah. Big up on yourself and always a watch. Yeah. So get the season them all over the chicken. Guys, I hope you not stay tuned, you know, cause first I gotta do that one here, you know. Yeah. So I'm gonna watch the video till the end. And please remember, comment in the comment section, share it up the channel with your friend and family people. Alright? Share it out.
And like we said, we're not gonna tell you what we're cooking, just watch, stick around, and you'll see what we end up making.
Yeah.
Or what's on the menu today.
And the fish here now, guys, for Isabel. She don't want a chicken today.
Yeah.
You want chicken?
So you want everything? Okay.
You want a full house. Alright, so she said she wants chicken. But what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to
Lightly season the fish.
the fish. Not a lot. So season. Black tilapia, guys. Don't want a lot of season on the fish. Alright, so the fish seasoned up already, guys.
Alright, good people, so we are get the fire started, right? Yeah man, this remind me of old time days kitchen. Yeah man, old people used to. Oh, not bad. That is it. Old time people used to cook in them kitchen. Wasn't any authentic stove. Just wood fire, stone, and a place where them black up. Or probably them use brick. I think a brick. Yeah man. And I hit that man. So we are go back in them days, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man. Trust me. Let's bring back these things to your remembrance, guys. Outside cooking, bush cooking. Jamaica people call this boat. We are on a boat, you know. Yeah, man. Feel good out here, even though the sun hot. Summer, terrible hot, man. But food have to cook. Rain or shine, sun. Food have to cook, people. Yeah, man. So that is it. First fire started, you know.
Yeah, so stick and stay, folks.
Stick and stay, guys.
Who know this? Comment in the comment section. What you call this? An Emancipation Day, you know, so.
Jamaican thing, you know.
Yeah.
Let's tell the people, man. Our?
No, I guess you comment in the comment section and let me know what this. Me know what this. You know what this?
That's
Comment.
Jamaican
Look
people.
at it again, guys.
Coconut cut up.
Why you tell them? Look at it and
No, they
comment
have
it,
to tell me
guys.
the name.
So what's the ingredients?
Coconut, dry coconut, sugar, ginger. Yeah, you can put all spice in it too. Cut up the coconut. Yeah. So comment in the comment section where this is name. And you use brown sugar.
Yeah.
Not white sugar, brown sugar. Alright, stick and stay. Granny usually have the kitchen there, you know. Same way they set up here. Yeah, when I go country, go spend holiday. Yeah. Fire wicked though. Alright guys, so we're getting the garlic and thyme to the pot. Pot hot already. Let's flavor up the oil. Alright, so put in our chicken.
Alright, Summit World TV people. So we're gonna get our fruits cut up, right? So we have a pineapple, with American apple and with melon. I know so we are go healthy way, you know. Alright, so the pineapple now gonna go with the chicken people. So it's gonna be pineapple stew chicken, right? Something new, nice, flavorful. That way I go for, right? So Prince Charm, cut up some things, you know, and get going. Now ramp with Prince Charm, you know.
Just like that.
Hey, mommy Kim afraid of Prince Charm, you know. I'm tell her she need training. You want training, Kim? For you is Prince Charm.
Yeah, alright.
You alright?
Yes.
Make sure you're alright, yeah?
I will use other knives.
What wrong with Prince Charm? You want to try it out, Brittany? You want to try out Prince Charm?
Yeah, I'm sure. I now cut out my finger like
I know, you know well. But I tell you, are your finger, why you want to cut it off while cooking?
I want to tell you something with him there now.
Yeah, because
Picture guys. It's tender all
I
now.
can't really see it.
You can't see it?
No.
It's tender bad.
Listen, around Prince Charm. You better? You not tell mama about Prince Charm?
Chicken smells so good.
Yeah, man, smells very good.
Right over there, guys.
One thing. When you are cooking in nature, you have to prepare for lizard and
Leaf, bug, everything.
everything, people.
Ants,
Ants.
prickers and thorns.
Yeah.
Maka.
A maca. The crooks then can't take him maca people. I've seen some tough crooks come. We'll get some tough crooks. Alright, again people, we'll buy our fruits from Sony. Nice lady, may I tell you. God bless lady. Our pineapple them ever sweet and fresh. Right out there in Mineralites, Clarendon. Can check her out. Fire hot.
Fire.
I'm gonna tell you, say a grandma style thing,
Hot
man.
man. You know fire hot? It's hot like fire.
That hot like fire. A sample. Ja. Hey, when you go a country, you know, back then, you know, at them fireside, the old people used to use, no grandma, you know. Yeah, man. And trust me, when you smell like the fried dumpling and fried chicken, it scent alone full your belly. You think so? A real thing, man. That's why we are go back in them thing there, you know. Can't give up the roots for nothing. So all who love them fancy stove, when gas can't buy one, I got do. I need to think about it. You see me?
Check in, guys, on the chicken. Looking beautiful.
Fire hot. Like fire.
Stick and stay. Oh. Is the fine soft or the knife just sharp?
A Prince Charm, this you know, Gabby, terrible sharp. The knife sharp like sharp. Like Bobby keeps saying fire hot like fire. Man. Me myself afraid of Prince Charm, you know. Kind of respect.
No partial nobody.
No partial nobody, you best believe it. Look at that, peeps. Just a slide through the pine. Alright, that's for me to eat.
Yeah.
Alright guys. So there we go. We have our pine and our American apple here. Is afraid of raging. Not raging, every minute they talk about raging bull. Prince Charm. I miss raging bull, you know. I go fix up a new raging bull. Fine sweet. No, that's sweet like the one way. American, but it's sweet.
I don't know one we buy yesterday. Sweet buy.
Yeah,
This
sweet.
sweet still in a but.
This sweet.
Alright, so guys, we're getting Isabel fish now. Yeah, like fried fish, and I use oil, you know, guys, because it make it look black. Yeah, but a bush style is bush cooking. Put some more in it. Stick. It's a make up about people. So we use oil, make the fish look away, but I got eat same.
Alright people, so we'll go. This is something new. Right, so instead of you're gonna make the chicken steam in the pot, we take it separate by itself. We're gonna make it steam, we're gonna file it. So you know, file paper work just like pressure cooker, guys. Yeah man, file paper good. And I want to tenderize your meat and stuff like that. So Yeah, there's something new, you know. You know, we know for failure, so this have to work. Alright, Kim.
One more?
Yeah, one more this sausage. Steam, I want to steam, soak. And I want our vegetable cook out. And it's smelling so good. My God. Yeah, man. Ricardo Island Adventure. Tanisha Outdoor Cooking. Big up on yourself, people. Right. Let's see some.
So, wrap her up now.
How about the fruits?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. Fruit is for
Later.
later. Will be greater. Right. Cover.
Check it out right now.
Let's go, people. Who is that? All the people them who miss. What's name again?
Fred?
Fred. Here goes Fred. You know him how was to come work, you know. Alright, people, so we have wood fire here. Ready. Alright. That is it. Like a chicken. We're here for a while. Under the heat. Right. Take him out now. We must tender. Juicy. Thing is, we don't want to cook out our vegetables, guys. So we get the chicken tender right here, and then we just have to add it to our vegetables with the gravy, right? So we don't want to cook it out. So this is new, but we know it's gonna taste good. As anything you put in a file, it's come like pressure cook. So you know it's soft, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, good. So Javan, this is raging cow, not bull. Much softer. Alright, people. So we're gonna cook with our potato here, Irish potato.
Mashed potato we're gonna make. Yeah.
Right, mashed potato. People. Alright, new creative idea. So this is our pot stand. We're gonna put our pot. So you guys see it work. Kim. Stay tuned for the explosion. Daddy come out and love make fire. That is it.
Mashed potato pot, guys.
Check out the Indian shop.
Market, go all instead market, not a what they would sell. Lord, it no nice, it no nice. What a Saturday night. What today no Saturday too?
Yep.
Yeah, the battalion do. Have to go fix. Mommy, I go all instead market. Not a what they would sell. Lord, it no nice, it no nice. Alright, better. Go your pot burn up. Right, so this is the rice pot, guys. Should I oil, you know? You know, I'm going to put the oil pan in, because I love pot here.
Yeah, healy pot.
Ely pot.
Guys, I oil pot. The pot them have black up too much, guys. We need some sponsor for some pots. What me know say yes. After the our wood fire, guys. So we need a sponsor. Anybody out there can sponsor me some pot? Alright, so we'll get this on the fire. Pot that me using in my kitchen, guys, so me not like when them black up.
Bush cooking, you know. So there we have our chicken. Chicken pile up, guys. It has steam, you know, the gravy. So when we finish, I give couple minutes or so, and half an hour. And we not rush it. I want the chicken. Why may I tell you, the time hot and my nose are run. We want the chicken with tender, soft and juicy. So we're going to put it back in our pot with vegetable and fruits, alright? You can stay for that. Check it, man, check it. Check in. Stone. Real bush cooking.
Put in the potatoes. Alright. Then I go put in the salt. And I let that cook. Alright. And this a Raging Bull cousin. Yeah. What's his name? Arthur?
Arthur.
Arthur, that was the
We
name.
like that one there. Arthur.
Arthur.
Arthur. Arthur was a knight, don't it?
Yes.
Arthur. Okay. Look at these people.
Yeah. Welcome to Arthur. Raging Bull cousin. Alright guys, so we're putting in the scallion and thyme and a pepper in the rice pot. Yeah. Check in. Pumpkin flavor mix to the water. Alright. And then some butter to flavor out the rice. Then we are going to put in. Make sure the cocked nougat well mash out in the water. Alright, flavor up the rice. Some salt. Remember the cocked nougat, guys, have been salt already, so you have to know how we are use the salt. Alright, so you can see me put in a little bit. Here's the water and it. Alright. As a top chef around here, guys, you have to know how to measure the things that I use to cook. Alright? Check in. Alright, the potato halfway cook. Soon take it off so make it can cook. Alright.
Ready? I'm going to feed chicken, you know. Ta-da! Actually, I hear it, Betty.
Yeah. Can come off anytime soon.
stone. I guess the stone will eat. Look at that. Must steam by now. That's it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna make the mashed potato. So here we have a butter. And we're gonna use some mayo. So that's the finish. And I'm going to use some all-purpose Maggi. Alright, I'm gonna use a little bit. Alright, now I'm gonna taste this now. See how it tastes. Gabby, come taste it.
What about the cameraman?
Alright, tastes good. Camera girl, want to taste it?
Alright.
Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit all purpose. Yep. You can stay. Some butter, guys. Pat black up. Right. Okay, get here. Still I gotta eat, so you can stay there. Fry up the time then, guys. Make you have the little, frying with the food. Ready. Alright. Alright, check in folks. This is the rice. Alright, like you want to steam some that is it folks. And just make sure it have enough water. One more fry underneath it? No. Alright guys, so make a little gravy. Ketchup. We're not ready to put the seasoning in there, guys. Woo. We don't want them cook out too much. Alright, stick and stay, guys.
Where's the pot at? Yes, okay. So, too much more time. Sorry.
No, too much.
Yeah, no, I want to mash up. So you see, it actually works.
I feel working.
But must. And sticky.
It's a fail. I'm gonna go and look out with that. Alright, so this finishing up, people.
Stop.
I'm gonna tip just a little more water on it. Just a little more.
Stop. Alright, why we do it like this, people, is that normally we'll put your vegetable on it and it would cook out. We don't want it to cook right out. So we're trying something new. Yeah, man. Tastes good, man. The chicken soft. Beautiful, right? I bust you want bust a pepper there. You bother with it today, no?
Take a burst and take a pepper.
One thing when you have to cook a bush, you know, pear leaf. And hands.
Alright,
Whatever flavor of the pot.
that is it.
Good.
Alright guys, so we move the pot from over there to this side. Because you can see over there the wood burn out. So yeah, put it over here and this is ready now, guys. And I tell you, it tastes so good. Alright, so stick and stay until we share the food and thing. If you read for this video, please remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to go to Smith's World TV. Guys, fireside hot. I tell you about out here nice. Yes, out here is nice. So stick and stay, guys. Chicken very soft. Put them on. Tender. It's tender to the bone.
Only Jamaican people knock pots, so you know. Or Caribbean. Or Africans.
Knock it off, yes. I will say knock it gently, knock it. Who said that?
Jet Li, you say?
Yes.
Somebody did say that?
Yes. Knock it gently, knock it. You see from way back. No?
Boy. Boy.
Yes. You go up with us someday. Knock it gently.
You sure Jet Li?
You think what I want to say? What are that is so like? Why find them there now?
Alright guys, stick and stay. Finished meal guys, look at that. Beautiful. We have the pineapple stew chicken with melon and apple on the side, steamed rice and mashed potato. Guys, doesn't get any better than this, and you all are missing out. That is it, folks. We're now going to eat, so stick and stay.
Thank the Lord for this meal. God bless. Nice. Another Grammy Award winning food. For real people. Look here. Look at what we cook in the bush.
5-star restaurant food.
Oh my God. Healthy stuff.
That is it.
I want
You know your paper that filter there, you must stop it.
healthy food. So it is ginger a while ago.
You eat ginger?
It is ginger. Bird.
Isabella, taste the fish yet?
You want mashed potato, Isabel? I'm gonna share out two food now. Ting and ting. Roping. Nothing beats a good mashed potato, people. Nice. If you want lovely food like this, guys, just link us up. The number will be on the screen. Okay? Yes, real good. But here's the chicken now.
The leaf then drop in a plate nice too. Yeah,
Take it out.
do like daddy eat the leaves. Must have some health benefits.
Bitterness.
Hmm?
Bitterness.
No, health benefit. Trust me, food tastes good. Tastes real good.
Tastes good.
Healthy food, people.
Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. So please remember, like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yeah, Gabby and I party.
Which puts that in the pot? Which puts the guys? See you in the next one, guys.
Peace out, people. Do the right thing. Like, share, and subscribe. You know, we're over here with some lovely food and love for you guys. Blessings, alright?